Greetings. I have posted an announcement that I'm going to start Quran reflection or deep reflections from the Noble Quran. This is an effort to share with Muslims who do not know the meaning of the words of Allah in the Noble Quran. Some of them, they read Quran very nicely in Arabic language with the toning and everything, but they do not understand what Allah is saying, and that is not so good, but it's very bad, because they have to understand the message that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought from Allah through Jibreel sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But before we start, I need your help, please. If you are a member on Facebook, in any Facebook account, there are so many stupid people, ignorant, evil, rotten. They come on those pages and they post pornography, nudity, and all kind of stupidity. I have no idea why they act subhuman like that. So please, if you are a member in any Facebook or any group whatsoever that is trying to correct things and to do well, and you see those stupid coming and posting, look at the edges of the post. You will find an X, you will find unfollow, you will find anything that can help us to prevent those stupid from interrupting with their evil work. They can keep this porn to themselves. We don't need it. We have ladies, we have children, we have decent people on those sites. So sometimes, you will find an honorable imam or mullah or a religious person speaking in a video, for example, or you see his picture. Some people post pictures of those men that they like. And then on top of that, you will find a porn, nudity or stupidity of some kind. So please, the effort of those stupid is so huge, and they insist and persist. So, on the other hand, we have to be as vigilant and as serious in fighting this stupidity on their part. We don't understand why they are doing this. They are trying to object using their evil manners. They can object. They can come ask us questions. And by Allah, we are willing to answer. No problem. Ask any question you want. Even if it disturbs us, ask. Please come, ask us questions. But do not do us this kind of harm. You are not hurting us only and our feelings as adults, but you are also, hurting a whole community, from children and women in our communities. Please stop this evil if you are doing that. And those of you who are seeing this work and they are doing nothing, this is very sad. What you're looking at? What you waiting for? Somebody to beg you to do that? Okay, I'm begging. Please, stop this rotten, evil, stupid people from posting nudity and porn on Facebooks or any other page that you are a member in, and you are trying to learn some good things we are trying to share. Help us out. We cannot be 24/7 watching those stupid, rotten individuals. So please, perhaps with your effort, your share, you can help us out to prevent this evil from continuing. When they see that they are being blocked, when they see that their posts are being removed, maybe one day they stop. On the other hand, and back to the issue that I'm going to start a new series of sharing the meaning of the words of Allah from the Noble Quran, reflections from the Noble Quran. If you are on Facebook, for example, please, go to my timeline. You can follow my work in a wonderful way. And please, next to this video, below it or on top of it, you will find my home page, because my Facebook account is full. My brothers and sisters, they came in a very short period of time asking to join, and I accepted every single one I can. And my account was full in 1 week, 5,000, and still hundreds are coming. And I don't have the means to tell them to go to my page, Facebook page. So I'm gonna post my link below this picture, below this video, or above this video. After you hear this video, look above and you will see the link to my homepage. Homepage meaning I can receive millions of people with no harm. They all can come and look at my work. Also there at my page book, if you cannot find it on the homepage, but you will, inshallah, then go to my timeline. Both are the same. All my posts, all my videos, especially about the Noble Quran, will be present, available for you to click and watch, inshallah. Or any other message I may share with you, writing. So please, come. Let me share with you in a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful way the meaning of the words in the Noble Quran. And during those videos, I'm going to have some comparison as well with different beliefs from time to time. Especially at the beginning of those reflections from the Noble Quran, I will talk about the Hindu books, the Jewish books, the Christian books, and maybe I will touch base with the Buddhist and the Sikh later on. Not for sure, it's not a promise, but I may or may not. So come, let us learn what Allah is saying in the Noble Quran. I'm happy to have you watching those videos. I'm happy to share with you. And please, if you have any questions, send to my email address regarding those videos or any other topic that you want to discuss. If I can help, I will help. If I cannot, I'll just keep quiet and silent so you will understand. Or just give it some time because I'm so busy, and until I can get to your question, I will answer, inshallah. My email address is Mark Landon, MarkLandon 1951 at hotmail.com. I'm sorry, at yahoo.com. So send me your questions regarding those videos. If you have anything to comment or to correct, I am willing to accept any correction. I'm willing to change my ways, and I may even go further to apologize if I make any mistake, inshallah. Come, join me. Look at the Quran like you never looked before. Understand the Quran for a change, and have this chance to understand. I'm willing to share. I hope you are willing to accept this sharing and pay attention and give it some time. Thank you so much. جزاكم الله خير وبارك الله لكم وفيكم ولأحبتكم حبيبكم في الله. Your brother in Allah, Mark Landon. Wish you the best. Assalamu alaikum.